In this video, you will learn how to calculate the square root of 144. And to do this calculation, you need to know the definition of a square root. So, we have that the square root of any value is equal to b if, and only if b squared is equal to a, that is, if b squared equals the value inside the root. And we know that b squared is equal to b multiplied by b. In other words, it's the number that we multiply by itself to get the value inside the root. So, applying this definition to the square root of 144, we need to find out which number, when multiplied by itself, results in 144. This number is 12, because 12 times 12 equals 144. Therefore, the square root of 144 is 12. So, in a simple and quick way, we've just calculated the square root of 144. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and subscribe to our channel. And at the end of this video, I'll leave another piece of content for you to watch. Big hug to you all, and may God bless you.